Today is May 6th.
May 6th, yes, May 6th.
2014, and my name is Diane Riegel.
And I am Art Riegel.
And we are actually professors at SUNY Sullivan, and we've been teaching here for quite a long time, but our story starts way back in 1979 when
Good
we
year.
were students here.
Excellent year.
I came from a small town called Brooklyn, New York.
And I came from the suburbs of Broome County, farther upstate.
And we studied a program called Hotel Technology, which is actually today the culinary program. And I was the first one in my family to obtain a college education.
As was I.
And we both look back to our time so fondly here. It changed my life. It helped me climb out of my shell, and the professors here were so wonderful, and our experience was fruitful.
Small is good. Small is good. We went on to NYU after achieving degrees here. They took all our credits. We essentially received a bachelor's degree from NYU for half price because we came to Sully first.
Such a deal.
And yeah, it was a great
good
deal. And we had a great time here. We had great professors, a closer relationship than we ever had with being one of thousands and thousands in a large private university. And I got to date and eventually marry the hottest girl on campus.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wait, his nose just grew a little
no,
bit longer.
it didn't grow. No.
We decided that years later that we feel privileged that we are able to teach and hopefully bring to the classroom what our professors brought to us. And we really believe in this place. It was a real special time for us.
It's pretty cool.
It is pretty
It
cool.
really is. To see lives change and to actually see students at the point where we were more than 35, was it 30?
Sure.
35
If
years
you
ago
tell them
already.
how long, then they're going to do the math and figure out how old
They
we
should
are.
be able to do the math after having me for economics.
By the way, I'm the good Regal.
Yes, and well, not the good Regal.
Yes.
The
Nice.
Mommy Regal
I'm the
and Daddy
nice
Regal.
of the
One is
classrooms.
Yeah. They call us Daddy Regal and Mommy Regal, or He Regal and She Regal, and it is hysterical how they'll come in with stories from the others.
He tells
class.
stories about me, and,
I do, and then
which
she
are
tells.
erroneous
Yes.
to our students. But we're trying to create a family kind of atmosphere in our classrooms, and I think we've achieved that with our students, and hopefully they learn a few things from us.
And some of our students don't have much in the way of family, and so if you can provide a little bit of that, a little bit of encouragement, a little bit of, okay, butt kicking because I know you can do it, and I'm proud of you, and all right, get this in on time, they react to that. They really can see that they can do it, and this is the way the world is going to be when they get out, and they're going to want jobs, and they need guidelines on how to get to that point. But they also need to know and find out what they truly love to do. And this is a place that they can come and because it's small, they really can bond with professors and with teachers
And be encouraged.
and be encouraged
So,
in small
I like
classes.
to think
You're
of
not-
us
yeah.
as cheerleaders.
Yeah, you're not sitting in a lecture hall with 300 people, as we've done on and on in our college careers. So it makes a big, big difference.
It's good stuff.
Yeah, good stuff.